Hello and welcome to ByteStack, and I'm Fariz Ahmed. So in this video, we're going to see a new feature that Vue 3.3 has come up with. This is a TypeScript specific feature which I've been waiting for. So I'll show you how to use it and when to use it. So here I'm on Vue.js Playground. So now I'm creating a new component named input. So this is going to be an input field. Uh, a simple input field which doesn't have its own state, but it will get the state from its parent and it will update the changes to its parent. Okay. So here I'll not be having v model, and instead I'll be binding it to value. Okay. And I'll have a property named model value, and then whenever input is being given, I'm gonna say I'll write a function named handle input to handle that. So now I'm binding the type to type property. Okay, so these are the three props that I need. So now I'm gonna use Typescript and define the component. Okay, so first I'm gonna define the props. Okay, so define props, and then I'm gonna give the types here. The first one is model value, and I'm gonna specify string here, and this is the topic of discussion which will be changing later, and then I'm gonna take in type. The feature we are gonna look at is generic components. Okay, so for now it will be string, but later we'll be changing it. So type has to be another string, and then this is not enough, and I need to do emit, and I'm going to define the emits. So additionally, Vue 3.3 has redefined how we define emits as well. This is a lot better than how we were defining the types for emits earlier. So now you have to specify the event here and then the parameters in an array. Okay, so here I'm giving string. Okay, so what it is accepting as value is a string, and then when you're changing something, it is firing back a string which will be stored in the parent. Okay, so I'm gonna define handle input here, and it will take event, so type event, and now I'm gonna emit, and it's gonna have update model value as the event, and then event dot target as HTML input element, otherwise will not have the value field. Okay, so that's it. So our component is ready. So now I'm going to the parent component, and I'm changing this as input component, and then I'm going to pass a type. So this type is going to be text. Okay, so now everything works as it is, but this is our custom component. Okay, okay, so everything is working fine. So now what if I change this to number? So usually if you change the type of the input to number, then JavaScript will fire a number instead of a string. Okay, in the events value. So in that case, how I'm going to handle that? So say count ref, and it's going to be a number, and initially it is going to be 0. Okay, and now I'm giving count here, and it says, see, boolean is not okay. I missed to mention TypeScript here. Okay, and now everything is fine, and it says that number is not assignable to string. So earlier what we used to do is that we change it to any, and then we change the update model value to any as well, so that you can receive any type and then fire any type back. So this will fix this, but then what happens is that you will be able to pass a string and receive a number, or pass a number and expect a string. So using any is not a good idea in TypeScript. Okay, and to solve this, Vue 3.3 has brought in generics for components. Okay, so now I'll be able to specify the type as t here, and then I'm gonna say I'm having a generic type t. Okay, which means I can specify the type when I'm using the component. Okay, so here this is complaining because this is returning a string. Now I'm gonna say that as t to suppress that. Okay, uh, now this error has gone. Okay, because I'm passing a number now, then this will return me a number. If I'm passing a string, then this will return me a string. So both will work fine. So if I give message, it will work fine. If I give count, it will work fine. Okay, so now this will work as expected. So it's really cool, and not just that, you'll be able to pass even complex types, like you'll be able to pass an extents of a particular type, or you'll be able to pass multiple types if you're having multiple types used in your define props or define emits. This is very useful to define a lot of well typed reusable components. Please leave your feedback in the comments, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos similar to this. Thank you.